What's going on, guys? We're here at ATVMX a month after Daytona. I guess I'll go back to Daytona first. That was a phenomenal weekend for me. Phenomenal week. I wasn't really sure how I was going to do coming into that, but I gave it my all in the training leading up to that race. You know, again, I'm sure everyone heard a million times I stayed up north, which is different for me, and I came out with a second. Still put a lot of work in leading up to this race, and I'm looking forward to seeing what I could do. This track resembles mine a lot. It's sandy and rough. It's pretty technical in spots, even though it doesn't have much elevation. I'm still really liking it. It's my style. I like the metal great start. It's pretty even in my opinion. So I'm going to see what I can do this weekend. I'm feeling good coming into it, and I'm going to give it my all.
Just got here at Three Palms. It was a pretty long drive. Actually, I went to JH's place and stayed there for a couple of days, split the drive up, did a little bit of testing. Pretty happy with it. Definitely tweaked the shocks a little bit, tweaked the motor a little bit, and extremely happy with it and coming in here and looking forward to the race. I mean, yeah, I got a podium at Daytona. Do I want another one? Obviously. I mean, I know there's a lot of people that know that third spot's open and everybody's putting the same amount of effort. Some people outdo others, you know, that, like I say, that third spot's open for grabs, but I'm always, the goal's third. I'll be happy with the top 5, so we'll just go from there.
What's up, guys? We're here at Three Palms. Track's looking awesome. Another good year. It's warm, the weather looks good. It's a fast track. Pretty excited for this one. You know, I need to redeem myself a little bit from what happened at Daytona. I'm still not 100%, but I'm feeling okay. Didn't get the riding and training I needed to, but you know, I'm just in here, the level head, trying to come out with a podium, and staying safe is the key. And you know, after Daytona, it was a big eye opener, so I just want to, you know, continue to stay safe and, you know, get on that podium as much as possible. And that's the goal for this weekend. Obviously, I want to win, but you know, I'm just going to go out there and race my race and put down the laps that I can, and you know, see where I place, and just try to have some fun and bring the fun back in it, because you know, when you have a bad race like that, it really brings you down. And I'm just trying to stay positive and go out there and have some fun.
Stitch me up, 'cause I've been rolling with the punches, and the world doesn't care if you've had enough. Pick me up, count the bets and name the judges. 3 cheers to the 7 billionth runner-up.
right, guys, here we are, Three Palms in Texas. It was a great weekend. Coming off Daytona, I really needed this. We started first in time qualifying, got one hole shot, led the first moto every lap, and the second moto, I led every lap of that too. So it was just, it was really what I needed, confidence-wise. And you know, I felt amazing. The bike was working great. We did some tuning today on the shocks throughout the day, and it just got better and better. Jay Goebel with Impact Solutions had me dialed in. And just the CSC tires were hooking up great, and you know, I can't complain. This is exactly what I came here to do, and you know, I really needed it for you know, my mental game heading into High Point, and it's really, I'm super pumped, and hopefully I gained quite a bit of points today and can make my way back up into the point standings, and you know, make this championship interesting and just win some more races and have fun.
All right, just finished up here in Texas, man. Beautiful weather this weekend. Track was excellent. Got beat rough, and man, that first moto we had a little bit of work to do coming out of the start. Not so hot, but we came from about 6th or 7th and up to 2nd, and man, just ate a lot of roost. But that second moto we got a really good start. Came out 3rd, and Joel and I had an epic battle all the way to the end, man. And he had his spots that he's a little bit quicker in, and man, he made a pretty big mistake that really tightened it up for us to finish out the moto. But Joel rode a good race. You know, he pushed hard, and I gave everything I had. But man, huge props to my team, everybody behind me, and we'll head to PA and we'll get ready for there.
Had a really good start, and I looked to my left after the first turn, and Joel had passed me, and I was like, how does this happen? But anyways, had a good race, ran with him for a while, made a big mistake, went back to 4th, and then just put my head down and passed Janusa. I think he had a little problem with his bike. And then in the second one, just was confident off the gate, same gate as last time, pulled the start, and then just rode my race. Joel passed me in the second turn because I stalled it in the inside, and then Chad got me, and I saw the gap I had, and just rode my race and did my thing.